This is question 14 from the 2023 Mathematics Extension 2 exam paper. So it is divided into three parts, each focusing on different advanced mathematical concepts. The first part deals with complex numbers represented as vectors, exploring their geometric properties and application in the complex plane. The second part involves the analysis of simple harmonic motion, requiring students to solve differential equation and apply trigonometric functions to model periodic behavior. The final part addresses vertical projectile motion with their resistance acting in both upward and horizontal direction, challenging students to apply principles of calculus and kinematics to solve real-world problems involving non-uniform motions. Okay, now I'm going to question number 14a, that is complex numbers question. We have two complex numbers. One is z is equal e to the power I pi divided by 6, and the w is equal e to the power 3I pi divided by 4. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change these complex numbers into the Cartesian form. So if you look at the two complex numbers, their magnitude is 1. Okay, I will write here magnitude is 1. So therefore I can write z is equal cos pi by 6 plus I sine pi by 6. W is equal cos 3 pi by 4 plus I sine 3 pi by 4. Now we know that cos pi by 6 is square root of 3 divided by 2 plus sine pi by 6 is half, therefore it is half I. Now this one cos 3 pi by 4, that is 3 pi by 4 is in the third quadrant, therefore in the third quadrant cos is negative, sine is positive. So therefore cos 3 pi by 4 is equal to negative cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 is equal to 1 over root 2, therefore it is minus 1 over root 2 plus I sine, sine is positive, therefore it is equal 1 over root 2. Now I will rationalize the denominator, then it will be minus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2I divided by 2. So now what is z plus w? Now therefore z plus w is equal square root of 3 over 2 plus half I plus that is minus square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. So now I can separate real parts and complex part. So it is equal to root 3 minus square root of 2 divided by 2, that is the real part, plus 1 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 I. So therefore I can write z plus w square is equal square root of 3 minus square root of 2 divided by 2 square plus 1 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 square. So when I simplify that one, minus square root of 3 minus square root of 2 square is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 4 plus that one is 1 plus square root of 2 square is 1 plus 2 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 2. So therefore this is equal, this is 4, sorry, this is 4. So now I can write this one 1 over 4. 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 8 minus 2 square root of 6 plus 2 square root of 2. Therefore this is equal, I can divide by 2, that is 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. So this is Z plus W square. Okay, now let's go to 14a part 2. That is, the complex numbers Z, W and Z plus W are represented in the complex plane by the vectors OA, OB and OC respectively, where O is the origin, so that AOC is 75 divided by 24. So now I will draw these complex numbers in the Cartesian plane. It is something like this. Now we know that OA, the angle, this angle is pi by 6. This angle, that is the complex number OB, that is pi by 4. Now what we want to find, we want to find AOB, AOC, angle AOC we have to find. Now to find that one, we know that OA CB is a parallelogram, therefore OB AOC, angle AOC is half of angle AOB. That means angle AOC is equal angle AOB divided by 2. But we know that AOB, angle AOB is equal pi minus pi by 4 plus pi by 6. So this is equal pi minus 12 3 pi plus 2 pi, that is pi minus pi divided by 12. So this is equal 12 pi minus pi divided by 12. So this is equal 7 pi divided by 12. Therefore angle AOC is half of OAB, that means half of half of 7 pi divided by 12. So this is equal 7 pi divided by 24. So therefore angle AOC is equal to 7 pi divided by 24. Okay, now I'm going to question number 14a part 3. That is, we have to deduce cos 7 pi divided by 24 should be equal to square root of 8 minus 2 square root of 6 plus 2 square root of 2 divided by 4. Okay, now let's go back to the diagram, that is OA. This is OA, that is the vector complex number Z. OB represent the complex number W, and OC represent the complex number Z plus W. Okay, now if I draw it separately, okay, so now you know that AC and OB, they are parallel and equal. Therefore, the magnitude of CA and magnitude of OB, which is Z, W, is 1. So therefore, I can write magnitude of AC is equal 1. The magnitude of OA, which is Z, that is also 1. OC represent Z plus W complex number. The magnitude of Z plus W, we have already found that it is equal 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, now if I draw that diagram here, that is O, this is A, this is C, that magnitude is equal 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. That angle is 7 pi divided by 24. We have found that one. This magnitude is 1, this magnitude is 1. So now what I am going to do, I am going to apply cosine rule for triangle OAC, that is using cosine rule. We can say that AC square is equal OC square plus OA square minus 2 times OC times OA cos 7 pi divided by 24. So now OC square is 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. Then OA square is 1 square. AC square also 1 square is minus 2 times OC is again square root of 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 cos 7 pi divided by 24. Now we can see that 1 square cancel. Then we have 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 is equal 2 times 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 cos 7 pi divided by 24. Now I can divide by 2, that is 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2, that is 4, is equal square root of 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 times cos 7 pi divided by 24. Now I can divide this one. I will write this one as 2 half 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. You have to divide by square root of 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. To equal cos 7 pi divided by 24. Now you can simplify this one, that is half square root of 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2 is equal cos 7 pi divided by 24. So now I can rationalize the denominator. So therefore it is 1 over 2 square root of 2 times 4 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. I multiply by square root of 2 both sides, cos 7 pi divided by 24. Okay, now I multiply that, I expand this bracket multiplying by square root of 2, and 2 times 2 is 4, 1 over 4. When you multiply this one, square root of 2, this is square root of 2. Then when you multiply by square root of 2, that this become 8 minus this become 2 square root of 6, then this one become 2 square root of 2 divided by 4. This is equal cos 7 pi divided by 24. So this is what we have to prove.